How to fix slow download on Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix slow download problem easy and fast on your browser. So first thing you have to do is so simple. Just go to the top right here. As you can see, you will find three dots. Click on them and then go down to this settings tab right here. And then all what you have to do is click on system right here, and after you click on system, now all what you have to do is simple. Just you will find three options, and all what you have to do is go to the first one and disable it easy like this. As you can see, now I just disabled this option and your download is gonna be more faster than it was. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.